guys, every day's been good, but better watch this video today. We'll be playing this one. This is the second one because
we must have told each other everything. I couldn't hide my identity from the girl as well.
Well, I don't know where else to set it. Trying to make a bow word. Look, it's all the way right there, right? I'm gonna put. See, right? Well, I'm gonna stretch it all the way back here. Oh, whoa. Guess I did. Yeah, ready? Go do it. I'll do it one more time. Y'all see it's Sanch Bar right now. Oh, it's coming, like, oh wait, my camera's so tight. It's like stuck to my hand.
What if we're in the UK?
He's watching this when it gets on my nerves. I mean, yeah, I like it, but like, watch it. Kason, you need to get in bed. It is 12:30.
Guys, it's past bedtime. Turn the TV off. Listen to your restaurant.
I don't know where it is.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Get burn your pillow and lay down. If you ain't asleep, look.
Then go get his dad. Go get Dakota. Yeah, I tried to get his dad up right now. Put that in the second drawer. Second drawer or first drawer?
Yeah, first drawer.
Yeah, when he goes to bed, I'll make another video. This is only filming some videos. Okay. Oh, at least get to like 5 minutes. You know it's not going to. There you go. Bye.
No,